A customer visits your store. They like your product. They add it to their cart. They're ready to buy. But before checkout, they leave. And that's a challenge many Shopify merchants face. Customers want the product, but sometimes they need one extra reason to complete the purchase. Without that incentive, potential revenue is lost.
A free gift offer gives customers that extra reason to buy. Spend a little more, receive something extra. Customers feel rewarded. Average order value increases.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a free gift offer on your Shopify store. A free gift is a great way to increase customer engagement and encourage more purchases. You can offer any product from your store as a free gift and display it alongside a bundle or a specific product, making your offer more attractive to customers. To get started, install the app and navigate to the Plan section. Select the free gift plan to create a new offer. First, enter a plan name. You can choose any name that best fits your campaign. Next, choose where you want this offer to be displayed. You can show it on all products or only on specific products. In this example, I'll select specific products. Now, move to the Purchase Options section. Here, you can choose whether the offer will apply to both one-time purchases and subscriptions, subscription only. For this tutorial, I'll select both one-time purchases and subscriptions. If you selected specific products, click Browse Products, search for the product you want to use, and then select it. Once the product has been selected, scroll down to the Billing Frequency section and click Edit Frequency. Enter a frequency name. The description field is optional. Next, configure the billing method. Here you can choose from different options such as pay-as-you-go, auto-renew, one-time, prepaid, auto-renew. For this example, I'll choose pay-as-you-go, but you can select whichever option best fits your business model. Now, set the order frequency. This determines how often the subscription order will be delivered. You can choose options such as weekly, monthly, every 2 months, or any schedule that suits your requirements. After that, configure the recurring order schedule. Here, you can decide whether recurring orders will be processed on the same day as the initial order or on a fixed date, such as the first day of each month. Select the option that works best for your subscription program. Next, scroll down to the Incentive Discount section. Offering a discount can be a powerful way to attract customers and increase sales. Here, you can choose the type of discount you want to offer. For example, you can provide a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount based on your campaign strategy. You can also configure the Modify Discount after certain billing cycles option. This allows you to automatically change the discount after a specific number of subscription cycles. For example, you can set one discount for the first billing cycle and then apply a different discount for future cycles. Continue scrolling to the Policies section. Here, you'll find settings related to on sale, fulfillment, subscription, cancellation. You can enable or disable these options according to your store's requirements. Once all settings have been configured, click Save. You can also create additional subscription frequencies by clicking Add Frequency if you would like to offer customers more subscription options. Now, scroll down to the Free Gift Configuration section. This is where you'll select the gift product that customers will receive with their purchase. First, choose the delivery mode. You have 2 options: first order only. The gift will be included only with the customer's first order. Every recurring order. The gift will be included with every recurring subscription order. For this tutorial, I'll select first order only. Finally, click Browse Products and select the product you want to offer as the free gift. Once the gift product has been selected, you can customize the gift label, edit its display settings, or remove it if needed. If you would like to offer multiple gifts, simply click Add Gift Product and select additional items. Next, open the Customize Appearance section. Here, you can customize how the widget will appear on your storefront. Since this widget is what customers will see, it's important to choose a design that matches your store's branding and provides a great user experience. You can customize the widget title, labels, text content, and other display settings. You can also choose from multiple widget templates supported by the app. For this tutorial, I'll select the light green template. Once you've selected your preferred design, click Save Changes. Now, go to Adblock and open your store's theme customization settings. Navigate to the product page template where you want the free gift widget to appear. You should now see the widget preview along with the free gift product displayed below it. Next, let's see how it looks on the live store. Open your storefront and refresh the page. You may notice that the widget appears on the selected products where the free gift offer has been configured. Search for the product that was included in the free gift plan and open its product page. Here is the live widget. As you can see, the free gift product, the bag in this example, is displayed within the offer. Customers can also view the available subscription options directly from the widget. When a customer selects their preferred option and clicks Buy Now, they will proceed to the checkout page with the free gift offer applied according to the plan settings, and that's it. Your free gift offer is now successfully configured and live on your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment on our channel. For more setup guides, Shopify tutorials, be sure to visit our channel.